In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Gemini for image generation. We'll focus on the single most important part of the process, what you type into the message box. Gemini creates images based on your words, so the clearer and more descriptive your prompt is, the better your results will be. Start by writing a plain text description of the image you want. Think of it like giving directions to a very literal artist. Begin your prompt with an action word such as generate, create, or draw. That first word signals to Gemini that you're asking for an image rather than a text response, and it sets the tone for a visual output. Next, pack your prompt with clear, specific details. Describe the subject, which is the main thing in your image. If it's an animal, mention the breed, clothing, pose, or any defining features. Then set the style. You can say photorealistic, watercolor, oil painting, 3D render, minimalist line art, or any recognizable visual approach. Add the setting to anchor your subject in a place and time. Consider the background, environment, time of day, and weather. Include colors to guide the palette, whether you want warm golden tones, cool neon lighting, or a pastel look. Finally, communicate the mood or atmosphere, such as cheerful, serene, dramatic, or whimsical, to shape the overall feeling. Here's an example that brings all of those elements together. Generate a photorealistic painting of a golden retriever wearing a bow tie, sitting in a colorful garden at sunset. This starts with generate, clearly asks for a photorealistic painting as the style, names the subject with a distinctive detail, the bow tie, and places it in a colorful garden at sunset, which covers both setting and color mood. A few practical tips help your prompt land cleanly. Keep it concise but complete. 1 or 2 sentences usually work well. Use concrete nouns and precise adjectives instead of vague words like nice or cool. If something must be included, name it directly. Avoid contradictions such as nighttime under bright noon sun, and steer clear of long chains of unrelated styles that may confuse the model. Commas or short phrases are great for separating ideas: subject, style, setting, colors, and mood. To recap, type your request in the message box, start with generate, create, or draw, and describe the subject, style, setting, colors, and mood with clear, specific language. With that structure, Gemini has exactly what it needs to produce the image you have in mind.